Driving through the bustling city streets, the thrill of the open road beckons. With every turn and every mile, the REDTIGER Dash Cam stands vigilant, ready to document your journey with unparalleled clarity. Imagine capturing every moment in breathtaking 4K Ultra HD, where even the smallest details come alive, whether under the bright sun or the cover of night. No longer must you worry about what happens on the road. With REDTIGER, every drive transforms into a secured experience. As you navigate through crowded highways or serene scenic routes, the dash cam's innovative design ensures that nothing escapes its watchful eye. Side-by-side comparisons reveal the stark difference in quality. While others may blur, REDTIGER sharpens the narrative of your travels. With this remarkable device, safety and adventure go hand in hand, allowing you to focus on the road ahead while it captures the memories behind you. With an advanced Sony StarViz sensor, WDR technology, and super night vision, REDTIGER delivers unparalleled video quality, capturing license plates, road signs, and unexpected events, even in low-light conditions. Feature highlights, dual camera coverage, show front and rear cameras recording simultaneously. Because your safety is a priority, the REDTIGER Dash Cam features dual camera recording, covering both front and rear for a complete 170-degree wide-angle view, eliminating blind spots and giving you full protection on the road. Feature highlights, smart features. Show a person using the app on their smartphone, reviewing footage wirelessly. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can access and share your recordings instantly via the REDTIGER app. Track your driving route, speed, and location, right at your fingertips. Worried about parking accidents or hit and runs? The 24/7 parking mode and motion detection provide round-the-clock security, automatically recording any suspicious activity, because your vehicle deserves the best protection. Feature highlights, loop recording, and G-sensor. Show a simulated minor accident, with the dash cam automatically saving the clip. Feature highlights, easy installation and durability. Show a simple plug-and-play setup and the camera withstand installation and durability. Show a simple plug-and-play setup and the camera withstanding extreme weather conditions built to last. The REDTIGER Dash Cam is designed for all conditions, heat, cold, rain, or shine, ensuring reliable performance wherever your journey takes you. Closing call to action. Final montage of the dash cam in action, showing its sleek design and smart features. Drive smarter, drive safer, drive with confidence. The REDTIGER Dash Cam is your all-in-one road companion, offering safety, security, and cutting-edge technology. Don't wait. Click the link below and get yours today. Text on screen. Order now. Limited time offers available with REDTIGER logo and website link. End scene. REDTIGER logo animation with tagline. REDTIGER Dash Cam.